Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. In this video, we are going to see in detail the first type of chemical reaction which is called as combination reaction. So in the previous video, we have studied that there are 5 types of chemical reactions. So the first type is called as combination reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. Third is displacement reaction. Fourth is double displacement reaction. And fifth type is called as oxidation and reduction. So students, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and also share this video with maximum number of students. So now in this video, we are going to study in detail about combination reaction taking various examples. Now let us start the video. So the first reaction is combination reaction. So in a combination reaction, two or more substances will combine to form a new single substance. So this is called as combination reaction. So meaning is two reactant. This is one reactant plus this is second reactant. So two reactants will combine together to form only one product. So that is called as combination reaction. So let us take one example to understand this. Take calcium oxide, react with water H2O, and this will give rise to calcium hydroxide. So this is the product which is formed. So here calcium oxide is called as quicklime. So this name you should learn, quicklime. And calcium hydroxide is called as slaked lime. And during this reaction, you can see heat will be given out. So now, how to say that this is a combination reaction? So you can see two reactants are there. That is calcium oxide and water. And you can see only one product is formed, calcium hydroxide. Therefore, this reaction is called as combination reaction. So now, in the examination, question can be asked like this. When carbon dioxide reacts with slaked lime, what is the product obtained? So very important reaction we are going to write now. That is calcium hydroxide. So usually this calcium hydroxide is used for whitewash of the wall. So for the wall, if you want to whitewash, you can see calcium hydroxide will be usually used. So calcium hydroxide, when it reacts with carbon dioxide gas, you can see here formation of calcium carbonate plus water will be formed. So now this is responsible for giving white color to the wall. So white shining color to the wall is due to the formation of calcium carbonate. So calcium hydroxide will react with carbon dioxide in the air and it will form calcium carbonate and water. So next, some more examples we are going to learn now. So some more examples for combination reaction. So first example is burning of coal. Burning of coal. So what is the chemical equation for this? Coal meaning is carbon. Carbon is the formula for coal. So carbon, when it burns with oxygen, what is the product which is obtained? Carbon dioxide will be formed. So this is a combination reaction because you can see two reactants are there, 1 and 2. And this results in the formation of only one product. Therefore, this is a combination reaction. Let us study one more example. So second example here is formation of water. Formation of water. So for the formation of water, what is the equation? So let us write hydrogen H2 gas plus O2 gas. hydrogen and oxygen gas will combine, resulting in the formation of water, H2O. Even this is a combination reaction, because you can see here hydrogen and oxygen is reacting. There are two reactants. This is one and this is two, and results in the formation of product. So whether the reaction is balanced or not, so I have already made a video on balancing the chemical equation. So I have taught you the beautiful trick. So you use those tricks and it is easy for you to balance the equation. So here find how many hydrogens are there? 2. And here you have 4. So therefore it need to be balanced. So here 2 hydrogen if I write. So you can see here 2 2s are 4. 4 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen, it is balanced. And here 2 oxygen and 2 oxygen, it is balanced. So this is one more example for combination reaction. So next is exothermic reaction. That is, combination reactions are usually exothermic in nature. So what is the meaning of that? So here we have studied this first reaction. See here. So during this reaction, you can see heat is given out. So if a heat is given out in a reaction, it is called as exothermic reaction. Therefore, combination reactions usually you see it is exothermic in nature because heat is given out. Exothermic reaction meaning is reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of the products is called as exothermic reaction. So some examples. So first example is calcium oxide reacting with water, it forms calcium hydroxide and heat is given out. Second example is methane. Methane is called as natural gas. So this is usually asked in the examination. When burning of natural gas is exothermic or endothermic in nature. So it is exothermic in nature because natural gas burns with oxygen and forms carbon dioxide and water. During this, large amount of heat is given out. And third example is respiration. So during respiration, what is going to happen? You can see glucose. C6H12O6 is called as glucose. So glucose will be reacting with oxygen, and as a result you can see the formation of product carbon dioxide and water. Along with this, you can see energy is liberated in the form of heat. So since heat is liberated, respiration is an example for exothermic reaction. So how this question will appear in the examination is whether respiration is exothermic or endothermic reaction, write the balanced chemical equation. So you have to write respiration is exothermic reaction and this is the balanced chemical equation for respiration. And then last example for exothermic reaction is decomposition of vegetable matter into compost. So the vegetable matter which is decomposed meaning is breaking down. So breaking down of vegetable matter so is an example for exothermic reaction. So even this example can be asked in the examination whether it is exothermic or endothermic reaction. So you have to write decomposition of vegetable matter is an exothermic reaction because large amount of heat is given out during this reaction. So this is about in detail about the combination reaction. So first one we have finished. So in the next video we are going to cover in detail about the decomposition reaction. So students, if you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and also share with your friends. I'll meet you in the next video, students, and in the next video let us cover decomposition reaction.